Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable hear outgoing message sounds for text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, tap on the text messaging app. In messages, tap on the option key at the top, and from the pop-up menu, select settings. In settings, tap on hear outgoing message sounds. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And if you turn it on, when there is an outgoing message, it will make a sound. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to your messages, or you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.